analog CCTV camera. Like I've told you in the introduction class, we have several things we need to have a complete installation of an analog CCTV camera. One of what we need, which is the main importance, like the CPU, the central processing unit of the CCTV, is called the DVR. The DVR, this is what the DVR look like. It's called the DVR. The DVR, we have both DVR and NVR. I think we have done that in the introduction, so I'm not going to be delaying on that. This is a digital video recorder. Digital video recorder, this is how it look like. It comes in several channels. These are the channels. So the digital video recorder has one channel. It comes in 4 channels. It comes in 8 channels, in multiples from 4. From 4 we have 8, from 8 we have 16, from 16 we have 32. We have 32 like that. So that's how you know the channels. You will see it 4 ports, 1, 2, 3, 4. This DVR is an Hikvision DVR with 4 channels. So now we're going to be quickly connecting. Then I told you earlier that analog CCTV make use of cabling. You make use of cables for analog CCTV. One of the cables we use, or the major cable we use, is the Siemens cable. Siemens cable. That means we have the coaxial cable and the power cable. You will see it. There are 2. The coaxial cable and the power cable. So now there's a quick work we're going to be doing. For you to connect your DVR, you can see there are ports on the DVR. These 4 ports. A cable will be entering that port, which is the BNC connector. I've told you also about the BNC connector. BNC connector is used in connecting your coaxial cable to the DVR, and the other end with your CCTV analog cameras. While the other power cable, it's used in powering your camera. One of the ends of the cable will go to the camera, while the other end we go to the power box. I've told you about this also. This is one of what we use, power box. So now what do we need? Let me quickly do a quick revision of the things we need to set up a system, a complete analog CCTV system. First thing you need is your what? It's your DVR. Your DVR. That's the CPU. That's what will bring together the information. That's what will receive the information from all your cameras from different channels that you are bringing it. And in the DVR is contained, we have the hard drive contained in the DVR, which is responsible for storing the information from your, it's responsible for storing the information from your cameras, from your camera. Then we also have the power box. The power box, this is a 12-volt box. A 12-volt DC box. Now, when you connect power in your house or in your offices, it comes in AC, alternating current. Power is an alternating current. So now the work of this box is to step down or convert the alternating current to a direct current. That's the work of this power box. It's going to be converting alternating current to direct current. And what the camera is required to work is a 12 volt. So it's going to be converting your 220 volt or 230 volt, as the case may be, from your power source or from your grid or from your generator. It's going to be converting it to a 12 volt direct current. I believe you've gotten that now. So another thing we need that is so important is our connectors. We need our connector and our cables. This is what I mean by that. The connectors, I've told you in the introduction on the platform, the connectors are the BNC connector and the power connector. We have the power connector and the BNC connector. The BNC connector and the power connector at one end, while at the other end we only have the power connector. So now, at this end now, the BNC will be connected to the camera and the power connector will be connected to the camera. While the other end, where you have just the BNC and an open cable here. So the BNC will be going to the camera direct, while the cables will be going to will be going straight to the power box. So the power box will be supplying power down to the camera, and the DVR will be supplying network down, will be receiving network from the camera. So that's what we need. Then of course we need the camera itself. This is what I mean when I told you that we have an indoor. This is an indoor camera. It basically used for indoor. It's an indoor Hikvision camera. Then we also have the outdoor. When you check this camera I have here now, this is the outdoor camera. You can see it's more protruding. It's basically used for walkways. You will see it like you have seen in the introduction on the platform. It's used for walkways, it's used for open areas, so it captures more range than this indoor camera. So that's it. Then we also have the PVC box. You can make use of a 4x4 box or this one or different box, just to this where we house our wire. We are going to be housing our wire here, just like what you can see here now. We're going to be housing our wire inside this box. Then our CCTV camera will be mounted on the box. Our CCTV camera will be mounted on the box. So quickly,